Pharmaceutical processes are highly resource intensive. To put it into context, pharma and healthcare account for approximately 5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. This leads to the question, how can we optimize resource consumption while meeting strict safety requirements and high quality product needs? At Optima, we asked ourselves this question, and we came up with our resource monitoring application as part of our digital portfolio. It consists of 3 parts, which is mainly intelligent sensors within the machine that collect electricity, pressurized air, and water consumption. These values are then stored in a database and lastly then visualized in a digital dashboard. In the future, we aim to provide tailored recommendations on where savings are possible and where customers can make a substantial contribution to sustainability while also saving costs as well.